What's up everybody, welcome to Phototherapy Canada YouTube channel. This is Sean with Henry.
Hi Sean, nice to see you and meeting you here.
Yeah. Okay guys, I put the Henry YouTube channel in the description down below and check it out. This is
UDK
YouTube channel. Today we decide to walk around to Sana Center. This is a very nice shopping center in capital Tehran, north of Tehran.
North of Tehran, District 1.
District 1. And let's check it out. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Phototherapy Canada.
Phototherapy Canada in Tehran.
Tehran, yeah. Canadian.
Indonesian.
Indonesian people in Tehran. Good luck guys.
Last time I put it in my backpack.
Yes, yours is so tiny. Nobody said this. This is a bigger.
Especially when you work with the 2% and nobody's really...
Yeah, this is much easier. What is it? Because of my eyes, you see my eyes? I can say, okay, I'm from China.
I'm a tourist, eh?
Yeah.
But I need someone that speak the language.
Okay, let's get in the from here. Yeah, you can. About 1 hour. But 5 to 10 minutes is the best time for the YouTube upload. It's beautiful here. You see? guys, we are in Sana Center with Henry. I want to know about the experience of the
2.5 years.
2.5 years in Tehran, living in Tehran, and let's see. Okay, so Henry, what's your experience in Tehran?
No, I had a full experience.
Full experience.
Full experience
All right.
of.
So, what's the best three things in Tehran?
What I can say is
Best three things.
one, I guess, is expect the unexpected.
All right.
Expect the unexpected, because of the first time I was here, people from my country said, okay, please be careful because are you going to war or what? Now the reality is there's no war. There's no war at all, right? And the second is the food.
The food.
The food. Yeah.
All people love the food of the Iranian food.
Iranian food. I mean, Indonesian also eat rice, but here rice with butter, rice with the saffron, also the gubide kebab, and everywhere is about it. The juje, chenje, it's everything's about it, right? And the third one, Iranian, mainly is quite similar with the Europeans, I guess.
Really?
Yeah, I mean.
So it's what like? So can you give this example?
It's like even with the looks, the food. Sometimes the Iranians like also the European foods, the pizza, pasta, and burger. It's other than the Iranian, all the fast foods, right? And in Iran, you can find also the Starbucks wannabe, Kentucky Fried Chicken wannabe, what's called McDonald's wannabe. Everything's wannabe.
Yeah.
Including the Coca-Cola. But I don't know. Is it original or not original?
No, this is original. Yeah.
It's original.
This is original. The Coca-Cola is an American brand, but you can find it in Iran, even in the sanction.
Sanction. Yeah.
But you can find it easily. Yeah. It's the original one.
So back to number one. Expect the unexpected.
So actually, he knows the Tehran better than me. Maybe.
No, he is. He is Iranian.
Yeah, I'm Iranian. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe Phototherapy Canada YouTube channel, like it, and don't forget to subscribe Henry's channel. I put in the links in the description, and see you. Bye.
Bye. Koda Hafiz.